Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel and welcome back to another video. So today we're going to be doing a Tidy Tuesday and we are in the garage. Now the garage is in a little bit of a state because a friend of ours has a beach house, well, like a lake house, and the property is being transferred over, and so she had to clean out some of the things there, and so she gifted us with some vintage furniture that I'm going to be setting up a sitting room in my bedroom. But for right now, everything is stored in the garage. And then of course we do have trash that needs to go, and Handy Mandy's coming over in May to move that stuff out. So she gifted us this bookshelf. It has 5 shelves in here, and I have been using on the other side of the room a shelf for my couponing things, my household coupon things, but I'm running out of space. So I'm going to swap shelves and just, instead of just being a tidy, I'm just going to swap out and then tidy what's there. So we thought we'd bring you guys along with us, and as we did that. So the first thing the kids and I are going to do is we're just going to wipe this down. I have some, just some spray. All the shelves are down here. It does have the little pegs where we can put the shelves on. But all the shelves, we just put them down there. And all of this is trash that's going to be hauled off as soon as Mandy can get here. So we're hauling all of that out. But this is the furniture that we were gifted. And it's from 1955 is when this furniture was made. And actually, she is paying to have this whole couch reupholstered into a different color, because blue is not my color. Although I'm thinking, depending on the lighting, it could look like a gray, a light gray, like a bluish gray. So for right now, but it's a very pretty sofa. And then she also gifted these 2 sitting chairs. So they are a set. They came as a set. There's the decorative detailing. And then I have a side table, and then another table here. These are fully marble tables, and another Christmas tree, because my Christmas trees are out. So I'm actually going to be tossing those when Mandy comes to move the trash. But this is the shelf we're going to be working on. So we're going to move this. I actually need to move this shelf out and just send it to the trash because we don't use it for anything. This car, I was supposed to be gifting to a friend's son, and I keep forgetting to take it over to the church. So I'm going to have Alana move that, maybe put it in my car so I don't forget it again. But we're going to move this shelf out. That's right here, because we don't use it. It's like a rolling cart. I may see if there's anyone who actually needs that and be able to pass that along. But we're going to be working on this whole shelf, switching it out with the wooden shelf. So come along.
Wait, what's a good song? That's slow. Oh, there's a song Mom sings. Oh, how about not by might, not by power, by your spirit, God. Send your spirit, God. Not by might, not by power, by your spirit, God. Send your spirit, God.
tidy, you guys. So I've gotten the shelf in, and I've gotten all my coupon things here. We still have some room to put more coupon things if we want to. So it was just a matter of taking that old shelf out. I did move these chairs, but that's not in the best space, just to make a little bit more room in here. And we're actually going to put those other red chairs, pink chairs back over here, because I've got to figure out something. Once I get all of this out, and again, I've got Goodwill stuff that needs to go. I've got a whole bunch of trash stuff that needs to go. And then 20 years of school stuff is behind there. Alana is taking that shelf down because it does come apart. And then I'm going to see which of my friends would be interested in that truck and that rolling cart. And then we are going to pass those along. But there it is. That is the Tidy Tuesday for today. We will be coming in the garage to go through and get rid of most of this stuff. I am also going to see if Handy Mandy can't find me some type of a bike rack that I can hang maybe from the ceiling, so that we can get the bikes off of the floor and actually use the floor. The scooters we think are dead, and we are probably going to be getting rid of scooters because they're just dead and we need to live our best life. So anywho, that is where we are. Tidy Tuesday. I've got a lot of work to do in my garage. But that wasn't the project for the day. The project simply was the coupon shelf. So even if you're looking at, oh, Shakema's house is so perfect. No, clearly I need to go back through these shelves again. I'm actually trying to save stuff for another swap. But I'd rather just go ahead and get rid of things and then just reaccumulate if I were going to do another swap. Because things just bother my spirit and they make me feel weighed down. But it's not all done. I need to come back in and totally redo this whole entire space again. I've done it before, but I need to do it again. So anywho, nothing's perfect here. We just take a few minutes to do what we can. But the coupon shelf looks really good. I'm glad that we got that. I was going to use it for a bookshelf, but this made sense in my life right now. So anywho, hope you enjoyed that video. Hope you enjoyed that motivation. If you just take 15 good minutes in your house to do something, you will see results. Thank you guys so much for stopping by our channel. We'll see you next week. Bye now.